Edra is a company that's been run since 1849. It specialises in marking technology and is known worldwide. My day-to-day activities include working on mechanical maintenance and working in the fitting shop, working on standard products and design-to-order products. One thing I like about the AMRC Training Centre is the wide range of practical skills learnt, because this has allowed me to settle into a company working on new and really old equipment.
Mary's been with the company just under a year now. She's taken to working in a male environment very, very well. She's hopefully going to have a future in maintenance, but she's also going to be crossing over into the fitting shop. She picks everything up very, very quickly. She's settled in really well. She asks lots and lots of questions, and she's always coming up with ideas that could move things on, and also working on projects which eventually will save the company some money.
In the future, I'd like to be in charge of my own small team of engineers. To do this, I'd like to take my education towards a degree level, and I'm hoping to do this with the AMRC Training Centre.